Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Pixel Buds app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Google Pixel Buds are charged and nearby. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Pixel Buds and press enter. Locate the official Google Pixel Buds app from the search results. Tap on install to download the app. Once installed, open the Google Pixel Buds app. You will be prompted to turn on Bluetooth if it isn't already enabled. Enable Bluetooth by going to your device's settings or simply tapping on the Bluetooth icon. After Bluetooth is activated, return to the Pixel Buds app. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Pixel Buds with your device. Open the charging case of your Pixel Buds. Remove the earbuds from the case to initiate pairing mode. Wait for the app to recognize your Pixel Buds. Once detected, tap on Connect within the app. You will see a progress bar during the connection process. Once connected, the app will display a confirmation message. You can now customize your earbud settings from the app. Explore options for touch controls, equalizer settings, and firmware updates. Keep the app open to monitor battery levels and additional features. You're all set with your Google Pixel Buds app ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.